good afternoon. Yeah, I'm not even going to pretend it's morning. Sorry the TV's on. I can't find the remote to turn it down. Hold on. That's better. It is Friday.
Welcome to TGIF.
And we are doing nothing.
Did I do that?
Oh my goodness, Izzy, you look so cute! Look at you!
Good looking detective.
Izzy and I are getting ready to go into Waynesville because I've got a surprise for Izzy. Izzy, where are we going?
1 hour later.
Like I was saying, Izzy and I are headed into Waynesville. We're going to meet a guy at a local coffee shop.
I was talking to Fessa.
I'm going to be trading that guitar you see back there, that thing, for a barely used T4i. I'm currently using a T3i, which is good, but it's getting glitchy, and all these wheels and stuff here, none of that works. And I could get it fixed, but it cost me like 150 bucks, or I could just trade for a brand newish camera that works really good. So I think I'll go with that. But first, we need gas, don't we, Izzy?
Yeah.
So we're gonna get gas. Okay, so we're here.
Nice to see you, moron.
In Waynesville. We're at a place behind me here called Panacea. I'm gonna leave the camera in here because I don't want to weird this guy out and be like, oh, this guy's trading a camera and he's got a camera in his hand and he's recording. Izzy, you ready to go inside?
Yeah.
2 hours later.
Well, it worked. Got me a new camera. I got the T4i, going from the T to the 3 to the 4. And Izzy is not happy because we got back in the car. She thought we were seeing the helicopter then, but we are at where we're going. Are you ready to see it, Izzy?
Yeah.
Right here, I see it right now. Do you see it?
Yeah.
I see it. This is gonna be like the best day ever for Izzy. So it turns out this helicopter has been here since 1997, and the cool thing is
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
it came from a town I used to live in, Salisbury, North Carolina.
Work.
What?
Work.
Yeah.
Work.
Do you like the helicopter, Izzy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you glad you got to see the helicopter? Alright, so this is test footage with the new camera. I can tell that that is going to be a problem.